Hey friends, if keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys are not working in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. So press the Windows key and the R button together, paste this and hit enter. Then click on next to run this troubleshooter and it will start detecting for problems. This is one troubleshooter that actually works. The next solution is to clean the keyboard physically, because if there is dust in the keys, then it would be a problem. The third issue is to disable a few settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard and make sure that the first two switches for sticky keys and filter keys are off. The last solution will be to update the keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for keyboard drivers and then right click on each one of them and then update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.